Construct a forward difference table for y it is equals to this function at x it is equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you all know, I'm going to compute y for each x. You have to take note when x it is equals to 1, and when x it is equals to 2, when x it is 3, when x it is 4, and when x it is what? It is 5. My y should now be, if I substitute x it is equals to 1 in this function, what should I going to get? So I'll get 4. And also if I substitute 2 inside this function, I'll get y it is equals to 13. And also if I substitute 3, I'll got 34. And if I substitute 4 and also y, I'll got 73. If I substitute 5, the last but not least, you have to take note, these are the x. You are going to substitute them. So I'll got 136. I have to find my first forward difference because this is forward difference table. Construct a forward difference table, so we are going to construct it. So to construct it, we are going to first find the first forward difference, second forward difference, and third forward difference. So let me say this: the first forward difference, which is say dy, it is equals to what? It will be equals to y of I plus 1 minus what? Minus y of what? Y of I. So I have to find the y1, which is the same thing as this 13 minus 4. So I will say 13 minus 4, it is equals to 9. And dy2, it is equals to what? It is equals to 34 minus 13. So 34 minus 13, it is equals to 21. And dy3, it is 73 minus 34. So I will say 73 minus 34, it will now be equals to 39. And therefore dy of what? Of 4, it will be 136 minus 73. So 136 minus 73, it is equals to 63. So I'm going for the what? This is for the first forward difference, so I'm going for the second forward difference. For the second forward difference, this is the same thing as d square y. It is the same thing as dy I plus 1 minus dy I. So how can I subtract this? The first thing that I'm going to do here is that I have to say d square y1, it is the same thing as this minus this. So I'll now say 21 minus 9, it will be equals to what? So it will be 12. And therefore for the d square y2, it is the same thing as saying 39, which is this 39 minus 21. So I'll got minus 21, I'll got 18, and then I will have d cube y3, okay, sorry, d square y3, it is the same thing as this minus this, which is 63 minus what? Minus 39. So I'll get 24. And then I'm going to find the third difference. So what will be the third difference, which is d cube y, it is the same thing as d square yi plus 1, this is I plus 1, minus what? Minus d square yi. So I'll say this minus what? Minus this. I'll say d cube of y1, it is the same thing as 18 minus 18 minus 12, I'll got 6. And the third of y2, it will be 24 minus 18, 24 minus 18, and I'll get what? I'll get 6 also. So the table will now be, I'll have x, I'll have y, and I'll have this dy, I'll have I will have d square y, I will have d cube y. For x, don't forget I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and what? And 5. And for the value of y, don't forget my substitution. I substitute x, it is equals to 1, I get 4, and also I get 13 for x equals to 2, I get 34 for x equals to 3, I get 73 for x equals to 4, I get 136 for x equals to 5. So I'll subtract this and this, I'll get 9, this and this, I'll get 21, this and this, I'll get 39, this and this, I'll get 63. Also this and this, subtract 21 and 9, I will have what? I'll have 12, and therefore subtract this and this, I'll get 18, subtract this and this, I'll get 24. The same thing, subtract this and this, I'll get 6, subtract this and this, I'll get 6 also. So as you can see, this is our